All right, look, do I need more inventory? Clearly not. Did I get it anyway? Yes. Okay, hear me out. I did pay up for this pallet. The prices are going up. Don't blame me. Before you blame me, there are other YouTubers with millions of views who have done this kind of thing. So I would say it's probably more to blame on that than my tiny channel. So I did pay about $2,500 for this pallet. I know, it was a lot. Not the most I've ever spent on a pallet, but it was quite a bit. And there really wasn't anything in it that was like super appealing, so I'm actually kind of worried, but whatever. Let's see if this experiment works, and I'm just gonna take you guys along for the ride. So, TJ doesn't know I'm doing this. I kind of said a couple days ago, I was like, I'm not gonna get a pallet this week, and I said, I'm just gonna have a chill day today. Oops, Whatnot auctions have been going really well for me, and I've actually sold 140 items through Whatnot just in the last week, which helped a ton, which makes me more optimistic that even though I'm getting more inventory, I think I'm gonna be able to auction it off. So we'll see what happens. And let's get TJ's reaction when he realizes I got another pallet. Huge thanks to Mixed Tiles for sponsoring this portion of my video. For the longest time, I've been wanting to redecorate, or I should say decorate, the space above my kids' play area or Lego table in the basement. It currently had a very interesting design by one of my kids, misspelled, saying do not touch. So we needed to do away with that and put up something just slightly more aesthetically pleasing. But I get overwhelmed with gallery walls I see on Pinterest and picture frames I have to buy and printing the pictures and where do I do that and how do I pick the right resolution and the time frame. But that's when I discovered Mixed Tiles, which makes it incredibly easy to create a beautiful gallery wall out of my favorite family photos. You can import pictures from Instagram, Facebook, your desktop, right from your phone. It's super, super easy. And then you just pick what kind of frame you want, what kind of style you want for your gallery wall. Then they just arrived on my doorstep, and when I unboxed them, I saw all these cute photos, really good quality, really bright. They're really lightweight, and all you do to hang them up is peel off the sticker on the back and put it up on your wall. It doesn't peel paint, it doesn't harm your walls in any way. Even TJ was really impressed at how fast it was to hang these all up. Took like 5 minutes, not even hanging, you're just putting them on your wall. And I think it's a vast improvement from what we had before. It's so cute and it's brightened up the area so well. Literally like the entire process, start to finish for all of this was like 10 minutes. I absolutely loved it start to finish, and I think you guys will too. Click the link in my description and use code HUSTLE25 to get 25% off when buying above $50. It's valid for 30 days. You can also scan the QR code right here on the screen. Thanks again to Mixed Tiles, and now back to my video. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is a freaking disaster.
Oh my gosh.
Teach, no, it's not good news. It's not good news. Teach, I want to cry.
What happened?
I bought a pallet last minute, and I just picked it up, and it's such garbage. It's literally, there's like nothing redeeming in it. And this is like the most I've paid. Like, I know, I feel sick. Like, I paid $2,500, and it's like nothing. There is like.
Just $2,500. I thought you were gonna say like $6,000.
No.
And you can still make something out of it.
That's true.
But you haven't gone through it all yet. So, I mean, maybe there's still something you can squeeze out of it.
Thank you for the encouragement. There's times that, like this, I just want to get into the car and just cry, because like I just hate this feeling.
This is great. You should share that. This is like good, like, vulnerable stuff that people need to hear, and just be like, man, I'm feeling like this really sucks. Like, guys, you never know.
Yeah.
And sometimes it's great, and sometimes it's totally not. And it'll be a lot of work just to try to break even, but you probably won't.
Right.
Time to regroup.
Yeah.
That was a lot of effort to try to climb back out of that hole.
Yeah.
And we take the L and we move on.
Well, this is depressing. Ugh. I think this is the worst palette I've ever gotten. Real talk. This is really disappointing. I feel like I spent a lot of money and I just gave myself a ton of work to try to get that money back. I haven't added it all up, but I do not think I'll make a profit today. And I have a ton of multiples. I have a ton of these. I have a ton of those train tanks. I have a ton of not very exciting Adidas Pallet Boost or whatever, these sandals. They don't sell that great. I mean, I have a few things that'll do okay. I mean, not every pallet's gonna be great, and you guys are seeing firsthand how this happens. This has happened to me in the past. I've gotten really lucky with the ones I've gotten in the past, and this one's just not so great. Yeah, tons of Shoe Dazzle, just not great. These are nothing. A ton of sunglasses, those are nothing. A ton of white Hanes shirts, that's what I was talking about. These, maybe I can make some merch out of these, like, I don't know. I think they're all like pretty large XL size, like a men's XL, and then just some basics. So I'll do some rough math, but I don't think we have anything very exciting here. Okay, Tej, what was your reaction to like usually the palettes are pretty good, so.
I don't know anything about anything.
Yeah.
Georgia boot, Durango, never heard of them. Shoe Dazzle looks promising. Just because like Shoe Dazzle sounds high end.
Okay.
And you know, it's a pink box and that's always good.
Yeah, bright pink, yeah.
Probably knocked it out of the park with Shoe Dazzle.
Absolutely, okay.
Goodyear? So I don't know. Sound like a blimp? Do they make good shoes too? I don't know.
Georgia boot's actually not bad. I have sold a pair in the past for like close to $100.
Okay.
So that's at least one redeeming item in this palette. A ton of Shoe Dazzle.
This is where you're gonna make your money.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa.
Premium.
That looks premium.
So it's like the Shein of shoes.
Uh-oh.
So these are some like boots.
It's a big boot.
I have a bunch of the boots that are similar to this.
No bedazzled though. Darn it.
They feel very cheap.
Ooh.
Okay.
This is Durango country.
The Rebel Pro Light. These actually might not be bad. 120? Looks like some 120, so good. For these, not so bad.
No, that's great.
Okay. They're like kids boots. They're not too bad. I did sell a pair on Whatnot for $30.
Whoa.
But these are like, this is a, I don't know, it's like a boot company, and I have an adult size as well.
That is
the black chore boot.
Oh, for your chores.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
There we go.
Hey, what are you doing right now? Working on chores.
Working on chores. $100? Are these real leather? They look kind of cute. Little combat style boots. This is
60 bucks retail.
Retails for 60. Okay, so a pair sold on eBay for 25 bucks. They're none of these shirts are very exciting. So like a Nautica sweater that's like trying to be a Patagonia Better sweater. Caffeine and Hate.
Caffeine and Hate.
Got the shipping sticker right on it. Ranger Up, like graphic tees. We got a few of these.
Like I've always said, you know what's quality when they slap the shipping label right on the shirt.
Right on it.
Oh, more.
I take my coffee with silence. Insane Labs.
Whoa, with the Z. Marketing.
Massimo Dutti.
Hey, cause didn't they go to prison?
Did he go? Is this the same guy?
I thought it was. College admission scandal?
Yeah. Like 10 bucks?
Oh,
yeah.
shoot.
Nothing great there.
But Full House.
You mean Lori Lough?
I love Full House.
Michael Kors.
That's good, right?
Well, it's got a nice hole there, so that's great.
It is?
No, Michael Kors is not great. Unless it's made in Italy. Tommy Hilfiger Sport. That's fine, I guess. Again, these are just like $20, 10 to 20. I'm not seeing anything very exciting.
Every little bit counts on this one.
That's true.
That was the bad guy on that plane movie, Con Air.
Really?
I think his name was Cyrus. And if he's affiliated with this shirt, that could be big bucks. The older I get, the less I like people. You know, this company's putting out a lot of negativity. The whole company.
Oh look, this is fine. Polo Ralph Lauren. When you see these patterns and these bright colors, you think Lily Pulitzer.
Lily Pulitzer.
Yeah.
Is that good?
Yes. These are just the pants and they retail for 58, but they still should sell for like 40 bucks.
Hey, great.
And they should still sell quickly. Okay, so Lily Pulitzer's swimsuits sell for like over 100.
Oh, good.
So that's good. Yeah, so we like this. This is cute.
Do we have 25 of those?
We do not.
Oh, shoot.
It's like a tankini. That's cute. So yeah, that'll be over 100 itself.
Nice.
These are some like velour turquoise lounge pants.
They look soft.
They are soft.
Is that me?
$98. Oh, darn it.
Oh.
big hole. Dang it.
Is that where it got caught in the wheel and then they
I
drove with the truck for 800 miles?
I don't know.
You thought all these were high-end swimsuits?
So there's another pants. That's it. So we only have 2 full swimsuits. This is even worse than I thought. I thought each. Oh my gosh, this is horrible.
So.
Okay, here's.
It was a good pallet? No?
I did a whatnot auction on a bunch of the shoes already. I sold 16 pairs for $550.
Okay.
So that.
$19.50 to go.
Then these will be about $400 right here.
$15.50.
So $15.50.
Yep.
I have like 20 shirts that might sell for 20 bucks each.
$11.50?
$11.50. I have 20 more pairs of shoes that might sell for $20, $20.30. So what is that?
Okay,
Another
$7.50?
$7.50 left. Like I said, I ordered a shirt printer and I'm going to be printing stuff on those shirts, those white ones.
Okay, how many shirts?
I don't know if anyone will even want one, but I'm going to try. I have 71. What's annoying is I created like 20 hours of work for myself for no reason. That's like what I hate about this. Thank you for joining me on this unfortunate journey today. Hopefully I was able to shed light on like the fact that it's not always great. Like I said, you know, I think my luck, it was time for it to run out and I think it just did. Don't forget to like and subscribe and throw some pennies at my channel because I need it now. Just kidding. Thanks again, you guys. Take care and I'll catch you next time.